Jay Brand, the Science Man, here from Newark Digital Academy in Newark, Ohio. And today I'm going to teach you science. Today we're going to look at an OGT question from the 2007 test. And what we're going to go through is the OGT success site and OGT students. So if you navigate to that through Google and you go to OGT students, we're going to practice for the test. And we're going to take the test without logging in. We're going to look at Science 2007. And this is going to be a question about climatographs. And that's my dog barking in the background. Don't mind him. So we're going to look at a question where you have to read and interpret a bar graph to be able to interpret the information from it. So question number 6 says climatographs are often used to represent a location's temperature and precipitation patterns. Precipitation is represented by the bar graph because it is cumulative. Now, in case you don't know, that word cumulative means total, when you add up each of the different months in these graphs. Which climatograph most likely represents a tropical rainforest? So this Earth and Space Science question makes you understand a little bit about different biomes. So kind of look up some different stuff of tropical rainforests and tundras and deserts and deciduous areas. Take a second and pause and see if you can answer this question correctly. Okay, the correct answer for this one is actually going to be B. And the reason B is the correct answer when you look at all of these is you have to know a little bit about a tropical rainforest. It's where you have a lot of rainfall and a very consistent high temperature. So if we look at this one, we can see that the consistent high temperature, which is the dotted line, is the same from January to December, and there's also a pretty high amount of rainfall. If we look at some of the other ones, we can see that the rainfall changes and there's not a lot of precipitation. Or if we look at some of the other choices down here, we can see that there's not a lot of precipitation in these months, and there's a decent amount of rainfall. But the last one, there's not a lot of precipitation in some of the months, and there's also a change in the amount of rainfall. So the best answer for a rainforest is a lot of rain and very hot. That's it for this question. Make sure that you watch a lot of the other YouTube videos in preparation for the Science OGT, and good luck.